So my name's Christopher Barr, and I'm addicted to photography and all things photographic, I suppose. It used to be a hobby. I think loads of people start out with hobbies, and it's grown into, it's everything. It's my work, it's how I feed the family, it's how I feed my brain, the fine art stuff. My father-in-law recently lent me his metal detector because he thought it would be good for me to do something else rather than just always think or do photography. So I was out in the garden, found one piece, very thin, worn away, really 1950s, a little corgi car, Ford Zephyr, and the first thing I could think about was taking it in, putting in a nice paper, photographing the finds, back into photography.